Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. When your iPad shows the recovery mode screen, it may indicate that an error has occurred. If your iPad is stuck in recovery mode and unresponsive, and you want to exit without losing data, don't worry, this video will guide you on how to solve the problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Use iPhone to assist with exiting. This is a new technique. For iPads running iPadOS 26 without a home button, you can use another iPhone running iOS 18 or later to wirelessly exit recovery mode. First, press and hold the iPad's power button until the Apple logo flashes rapidly, then release. After a short delay, the Apple logo will fade in and out, followed by the wireless recovery page and a pop-up on the other iPhone. To proceed, keep the devices close together. Tap Continue and enter the verification code. From here, you can exit recovery mode or perform a system restore without losing data, all without a computer. Simply wait for the iPad to restart, and it will exit recovery mode and function normally. Method 2. Fix iPad using Apple device. First, connect it to your computer and open the Apple device. Similarly, you can also use iTunes or Finder. At this point, it will show that your iPad needs to be updated or restored. You can choose to restore and proceed, waiting for the iPad to download the firmware and restore. However, note that this will reset your iPad. If you do not want to lose data, it is recommended to use UltFone iOS System Repair, which is a more efficient, safe, and data-preserving method. Method 3. Using UltFone iOS System Repair to fix iPad. UltFone iOS System Repair can exit recovery mode with just one click, without any firmware. It can also fix over 150 iOS system issues without losing data. The download link is provided in the description. To repair your iPad, first connect it to the computer. Launch UltFone, then click Exit Recovery Mode at the bottom left of the interface. Yes, with just one click, you can quickly resolve the problem of your iPad being stuck in recovery mode. The operation is very simple, efficient, and safe. Method 4. Repair iOS system. If you are still experiencing other issues, you can also consider using UltFone's System Repair feature, which will not cause any data loss. Return to UltFone, click the green Start button, select Standard Mode and then click the green button to continue. UltFone will obtain the latest firmware for your iPad, and you can choose where to save the firmware. Once confirmed, click Download to continue. After the download is complete, click the Start Standard Repair button. The iPad repair process usually takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient and keep the iPad connected. When you see standard repair completed, it means your iPad has been successfully repaired. These methods should be able to resolve most problems that need fixing. We hope that one of these methods will help you exit iPad recovery mode. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel for more tips and techniques. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.